if you're an investor, an entrepreneur, or startup, why you must join Meer's business network? So we have Mr. Meer here. So Mr. Meer, you have over 50 businesses worldwide, and you have a huge network of top investors, celebrities, entrepreneurs. You already have everything. Like, then why this business network?
First of all, thank you very much, Zara, for having me. This is an interesting question. Why this network? Because all the fortune I have made, all the money, all the businesses, and everything, that I have achieved through the networking. Networking means like I have big social media following, and most of them, those fans, they are investors or entrepreneurs or businesses. So I've learned when I provide people a platform where they can come together, and then discuss businesses, discuss their visions, discuss their passion. A lot of beautiful things happen in the form of beautiful projects and businesses where everyone makes money as well as they make some really nice friends. So that's exactly what I've done. Now I noticed because we're based in Dubai, head office is here. This is one of the most beautiful and amazing city when you talk about business or if you talk about progress. People, top talent, top investor, top entrepreneurs from all over the world come here. They look for opportunities, but sometimes they struggle because there's 200 nationalities. There's so many different cultures here. They find it difficult to get the information they need to start their projects, invest here, or look for funding. When I came here like 3 years ago, I went through the same phase, but then I put 1 year aside that I will create my network from the top, institutions to top government organizations as well as celebrities from the region, international entrepreneurs, investors. So I spent 1 year. And in the end, I realized now, for example, if I suppose if I'm a new person coming here in Dubai, I need that kind of person. But what do I get out of it? This is how I made my fortune. I look at startups, new projects, technology related, real estate related, something which can be huge in the future. These people are coming to my events, they're coming to my networking meetings, and I talk to them and I realize that this is the business I'm gonna invest in or startup. Similarly, there's an investor who looks into my projects. They want to get interested into that. A lot of things happen on my network and net worth as well as my empire keeps increasing. And I want everyone to have piece of that. So if they're gonna make money, if they're happier, if they have a big project, and I can help them grow, we'll work together and amazing things will happen. So that's the simple reason why I do it.
So Mr. Meer, what people can expect from these networking events?
So first of all, there are some smaller weekly events, bi-weekly, and one big event every month. So for example, right now we're talking about Dubai. When you join, it's like friendly environment. I don't believe in like corporate-like structure where everyone is so stiff. Everyone is relaxed, like friends. So there will be introductions. My team will explain how to get maximum output out of this network. For example, if you're an investor, how you can interact with different businesses, where to invest, what is the most profitable project going, for example, in Dubai. Similarly, if you're an entrepreneur and you want to do joint ventures or your business you want to grow, or you might have a business in London, but you want to launch here, they will guide you every process. So all the investors as well as entrepreneurs, businesses and startups, they will get the proper guidelines, where to go, what to do. But then at the same place, at the same time, there are some top investors, there's some top entrepreneurs, businesses, startups. They will mingle with each other. So everything you need would be under one roof. And at the same time, like our network, my network is worth more than $1.2 billion and it's flying. Within 6 months to one year, it's like value gonna double. So I'm sitting there. I'm looking for startups. I'm looking for investors. I'm looking for all these people. So not only we do and start great business projects together, you also make some really, really, really nice friends who can actually guide you. Like you can become personal friends as well as partners in businesses. You can do joint ventures and projects together. And one thing you need, and people struggle because this is a kind of city where so many tourists come every month. So there's not many people are here permanently. You get to make those permanent friends here. Another benefit of this is we have chapters. So this is Dubai chapter, then we have Saudi Arabia chapter, then we have Kuwait chapter, then we have London chapter, we have USA chapter. So when you connect with people here, you're actually connecting all the network all over the world. And in my network alone, there's more than 3 million people. So imagine by attending one event, what you're going to get.
So if you think that this business network is for you, do join us, do contact us by clicking the contact button below. Thank you.